In this video, I will show you how to simply password protect your PDF in Adobe Acrobat without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your Adobe Acrobat, and the next thing you want to do is to simply drag your PDF file. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this PDF file right here, just like so. After a successful drag your PDF file, the next thing you want to do right here is to simply navigate to All Tool right here. So under the All Tools, next thing you want to do is to make sure you proceed to protect a PDF right here. And it's going to pump up right here. Go ahead and click on Protect with Password right here. So here we go. The next thing you want to do is that protecting using password. Viewing. Go ahead and enter password that you want to use right here. Then retype your password. Then go ahead and hit on apply. Done. The next thing you want to do right here is to right click this layer, close this tab, and then I want to make sure I come back to the PDF right here, drag it to the Adobe Acrobat again. Now it requires password to have access. It's that simple. This is how to password protect your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.